This is the demo for the recruiter side of Ace Unlock. So this is our home page. This is where you can navigate through job postings, interview questions, rubric management. So what we'll do first is take a look at the steps to post a job. So I'm going to click on job postings. I'll just give this a sec to load. So what I can do is I can actually create a new job here, and I can go in and write everything and fill it out should I wish. But what I'll show is that when we do a job posting, we can actually quick create a job posting as well. So I can either copy something off of the web and modify it, or I can take a template that I have for a job and I can paste it right in here. Okay, so I've got one that I've set up that we'll demo today, and I'm going to paste it. This is for a director of shopper research, kind of more in my background. But what I want to do now is parse out the job requirements using AI. So I've pasted in the job description, as you see here, and now I can click this parse with AI button. So we'll give it a sec to do its thing. Okay, and then I can review and edit this job posting. So here we see it's pulled out that I'm at the job title as a director of shopper research. The company's Ace Unlock. This is the salary, and it's a full-time position here in Ontario. And then it's got a general job description. It's pulled out some key responsibilities, and then some requirements and qualifications. And then once all that looks good, and obviously I can edit as I need to, I'll create the job posting. So now what I want to do is actually create a rubric that the AI will score the candidates on. So very similar to how we did the job posting, I can come over here to rubric management. And what I'm going to do, obviously I can create my new rubric and give it a name and build in the criteria. But I'm actually going to allow the AI to look at the job posting. I'm just going to post in the job again. And I'm going to allow the AI to evaluate criteria. And here we'll just call this demo. So what we can see here is that the first criteria is leadership and project management, and the AI will ask questions about my experience there and grade me on a score of 1 to 5. Data analysis and insight generation, communication, stakeholder management, problem solving, and mentorship and team development. Obviously I can add to this, and I can modify this as I need, but this looks good to me, so I'm going to create this rubric. Back on the job posting side, now what we're going to do is actually edit this job and get it posted live. So here we can see we have the job title. Again, we have everything. I can set a deadline if I need applicants to apply by a certain date. And then obviously we've got the job again, and again, this can be all modified simply by using the form controls here. And then in interview setup, so we're going to do a behavioral and role-based interview, and we recommend doing a standard screening, and the interview is going to be 10 minutes long. Obviously that can change, and it can go up to 20 minutes, but we recommend a 10-minute interview. Okay, and then the question source is going to be from the job description and questions, and the evaluation rubric is what we initially set up. So the director of shopper research demo. Okay, and then here you can see all of the rubric that we've got set. Obviously we can allow as many applicants to take a video screen as we want, but in this case we'll set up a maximum of 100. Now, when people apply, you can ask for a resume and have them do an AI interview right away, or you can collect resumes and specifically send the AI evaluation to specific candidates. So in this case, for our demo, we'll assume that I've already put in my resume, so I don't need the resume in again, and we'll have the AI do the interview. Right, and then all this is just system admin stuff. So once I'm ready, I'm going to save my changes, and I'm going to update and publish. Okay, and that is the job set up and ready for candidates to interact with. So what we'll do is we'll take a look at the job link here. And this is how it would look for the candidates. Obviously, you can do your own formatting and use your own templates as well. But this is generally what the candidates will see, and at the bottom they'll see the Apply Now button. So we'll stop here, and then part 2 of the demo will be from the applicant side.